Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing Twitch commands not working so your chatbots respond correctly during your streams. First, check that your bot is online and connected to your Twitch channel. Next, verify that the command is enabled and correctly typed in the bot's dashboard or settings. Make sure the user triggering the command has permission, because some commands only work for mods or subscribers. If you're using multiple bots, check for conflicts or overlapping commands. Clear your browser cache or app data if using web dashboards and refresh your stream or chat. Also, update your bot software to the latest version to fix bugs or compatibility issues. Finally, test each command with a short message to confirm it responds correctly. These steps usually restore bot commands and keep your Twitch chat interactive. Subscribe the channel for more videos.